And now it's time to add the skills section to our resume. I copy the previous slide and do the same thing for the skills section as I did for menu in the previous sections. At first, I went to show my mastery of different software in the upper part, which I do again with PowerPoint shapes. First, I draw a circle shape using the Shift key and the option of Insert, Picture, and this device. I enter the logo of the software that I want to display the level of mastery. I make the size of the logo smaller and select both the logo and the circle shape. And with the help of the align center and align middle options, I place the logo exactly in the center of the circle shape. Now I can select the circle shape and make the fill and outline settings from the format shape section. I change the shape fill to white and I change the thickness of the outline of this shape to 3 points, and I can also change the color using the eyedropper option to the color in the logo. Now I can select both the circle and the logo and group them by pressing Ctrl+G. Now I want to show my level of mastery of this software with the help of arc shape. Draw the arc shape by holding the Shift key and then I will make the settings related to the outline. I will change its thickness to 3 points and its color to orange, and this time I choose the last option from the arrows section. And now I display my mastery of this software with the help of the handle at the end of this shape. And by holding the Shift key, I increase the size of this circle and I place it exactly in the center of the previous circle, and we can show our mastery of this software in this way with a shape, and it's better to use a text box next to it. And we should also have our level of mastery of the software in text form so that the employer can understand exactly what we mean and understand exactly how much our mastery of the software is. Well, I will make the settings related to the font and put the name of the software in the relevant place. We can also type it here, and I think it's better to increase the thickness of this arc shape. This way I should my mastery of PowerPoint software, and I will continue to do the same show mastery of other software. And in this way, we were able to show the mastery of different software with the help of PowerPoint shapes. Now for this lower part, I want to show the level of mastery of other skills. I will again use PowerPoint shapes. From the beginning, I will draw a circle shape and change the outline value to 6 points. And I change the shape fill to the navy color that was in our color palette, and I change the shape outline to yellow. And even in my opinion, if the outline is pink, it might be better. Or shape fill, it is yellow, it would be a better option. Again, this is a matter of taste, and it depends on your color palette in the design. I will put this here and 2 more copies of this shape, and in this way I put them in the corresponding place. I select all 3 shapes, I align them to the left side with the help of the align left option, and then I adjust the distance of these 3 shapes vertically with the help of the distribute vertically option. Now I want to write a series of phrases in front of these shapes, and we want to show the level of mastery again with the help of PowerPoint shapes. In order not to lose time, I have already written this text, Here I will take a copy of this text box and I will place them in the corresponding place so that we can move forward with our work faster. After adding the text, you can also realign these circles. I will select all three circles again. I click distribute vertically so that they are exactly at the same distance from each other. I must again use the rounded corner option in the insert and shape sections. And I will place a bar horizontally in front of each section like this. I will zoom in a bit and with the help of the yellow handle, I will again increase the amount of curvature at the beginning and end of this shape. We can set the outline value to no and assign a shape fill. And now I will take two copies of this bar that we draw here and place them in the corresponding place. Now I will use the circle shape again with the help of the insert and shape options, and I will place circle here and set the outline to no, and I change the shape fill to gray, and I will take several copies of these circle shapes so that our bar is filled in this way. We can show our master in different fields by coloring these circle shapes. I choose pink color for this from the shape fill section. And I will show you what percentage I have mastering in this subject. And now you can do the same for other sections, and I will definitely suggest you specify your level of mastery in each field with the text at the end. And in this way, we were able to complete the skill sections in our resume. Now you can also use this section according to your taste. There are various options in the animation section which we learned how to use in the previous sections. Again, be careful that the transition of this slide is also under morph mode. Of course, because we copied the previous slide, these settings will be repeated again, and I said make sure that the transition is on the morph option. If your PowerPoint version is 2019 or you have Office 365, the morph option will be activated for you in the transition section. The next part, which is the last part of our resume design, is to complete the completed training courses. Thank you for accompanying my course so far.